Bobby, go on to video. Will you do your Pleo walk? He was doing it without trying. Woo! Better not show fun this then. Will you do your Pleo walk, please? Will you please? Go on, will you please? No, don't properly do it forward. Look at you getting prepared. Oh. Go on, go for it. Yes. Do it forward, so. Oh, look at him go. The Royal Ballet School will be accepting you in no time. Look at him. John in the road.
Another car.
Should have left the glasses there just for...
Beth, what was your ballet impression?
Just for the comic relief.
Look at that.
Get off.
Tell me your head, hunty. Head on your glasses. Oh, God, blimey. Oh, you're checking yourself out in every single window, you weirdo. Who was?
Without the sunglasses.
And you can go like
To lock in moisture. Betty appears to be walking in the middle of the road.
Go. Apples. Step you on.
Plums, the plums. Wow, they must be really... Beth, suicidal plums.
Shoot. Go.
I'm gonna try, where's one? Here, got one. There it is. Look at it go! It went, and it came back in the road. I was trying to save it. Shall I stop recording now?
Yeah.
Anyone want to do something funny? Boom, bang.
I don't want to play.
Ta-ta, my dear.